So how can we use the noise reduction effect in the free version of DaVinci Resolve? Go to the Fusion page, press Shift plus space and search for noise, and we can add this remove noise. Let's press Shift, hold it and drag this in between these two nodes. Now we can change this to single view, and I'm going to zoom in and let's play the video. As you can see guys, we have this noise right here. So if you notice guys, we have three color. We have red, green and blue. And right here, if we click here, we have red, green and blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to red color, and now I'm going to add a softness in red color. Let's add detail in red color as well. Now I'm going to change the color to green, and now I'm going to increase the slider of the green color. Now let's change the color to blue, and we can increase the slider of the blue. Let's add detail, and now let's change this to color. Now this is before and this is after, and as you can see guys, we remove the noise. We can add more detail to this color to avoid the blurriness in our video. And now as you can see guys, this is before and this is after. Now if you zoom in, then you will notice the vast amount of noise in our video, but if we zoom out, we don't notice any noise because this video is recorded in my mobile phone. Now we can do one more thing, is we can go to the chroma, and in chroma I'm going to zoom in first. I'm going to increase the slider of this luma softness. I'm going to increase the slider of the chroma, and let's add detail in luma, and let's add detail in chroma. Now if we zoom out, so this is before and this is after. We can also go to the edit page. We can zoom in this window and we can click on this icon to disable or enable the effect. If we have this red line, it means it is disabled. If we have this color, it means it is enabled. So if I zoom in, as you can see guys, this is before we have this noise and this is after. And now let's play the video and now have a look. And if you notice guys, we don't have any blurriness in the video. So this way we can remove the noise from our video using the free version of DaVinci Resolve.